Hi there, I am Stephen Coyle-Shorin and I am a graphics and a web expert. This is a class about basic Adobe Photoshop for absolute beginner, and we will learn together Photoshop. If you never opened Photoshop before, or if you don't have any previous knowledge on Adobe Photoshop, then you don't have to worry about it. This is a perfect class for learning Adobe Photoshop from the basic to advanced. This is a project-based class, so you can apply the skill you will learn from the lesson in a real-time class project, and you will have a practice about your learning lesson. Together, we will learn in Adobe Photoshop how to change the color of image, how to fix lighting, adjust the color, how to remove object from image. We will cover the cropping and proper use of content hour fill, how to style your text with stroke, gradient, bevel, and emboss. We will learn how to create postcard using different shape and symbol. We will learn about the shadow, long drop shadow, along with reverse shadow, how to remove background, and we will have an interesting topic on selection and masking, that is text interaction. We will cover blur and filters with different type of blur effect like background blur, image blur, motion blur. We will learn about warp and distort, and we will create a dripping paint text effect in image using warp and distort, and we will also learn how to peel image in Adobe Photoshop. In retouching, we will learn how to fix skin, teeth, and eye in Adobe Photoshop. And we will cover the visual style, like how to make 3D glass effect. We will learn how to fix old image. Finally, we will learn the advanced use of tool in Adobe Photoshop. After completing this course, you will be able to fix color of image. You will be able to cropping image with content hour. You will be able to style text and create postcard. You will be able to adding shadow on image. You will be able to selection and masking like background removal, copy paste image, and text interaction. You will be able to making image blur. You will be able to warp and distort image. You will be able to retouch skin, eye, and teeth. You will be able to create visual style like 3D glass effect. And you will be able to fix old image. I have given an exercise file in this class, so you can practice with the exercise file during learning with me, and I also given the complete PSD file in exercise folder, so you can take a look or you can match your work with mine. So during learning time, if you face any problem, you don't have to worry about. You just have to ask me the question, and I am always there for you to help you out. So start watching and happy learning.